Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to open and review the Ryobi expanded edger. So come along with me and see what we got. As with other Ryobi expanded accessories and attachments, this does have a 30-day no risk return policy, as well as a 3-year limited warranty. Now, opening up the box, you will see you got nice packaging. Looks like there's no damage at all. Of course, you have the safety cap on the end. Yep, that's all good. It also comes with a tool accessory, operator's manual, a little preview to win thing, and that's it. Let's see what we got now. Let's go play. Now, as you saw in the previous videos, of course, you do have to take off the whatever attachment you had on before. And then I'm going to show you real quick how to attach the edger. Just line up the holes. Click it into place. Don't forget to tighten the knob down. And then put your safety on or down, pull up on the trigger, test it out. Alright. Now let's see how this thing cuts. So how'd it do? In my opinion, pretty darn good. Thank you for coming along with me to review the Ryobi expanded edger. And I hope you come back very soon for some more unboxings and reviews. And as always, have a great day.